Okay, everybody, we're at the next stage of the Cat D-9. I'm almost ready to start cutting out the first parts for the engine, but I still got work to do today and tomorrow here on the blade. So I'm working on the blade right now, and I've been doing the final sanding. I got all the little details done up here. The angle coming down. I got the centerpiece on. I got all the angles welded in place down here. I got the cutting edge on, and I got them angles down there. And right now, I don't know if you can see very good because of the light's not shining on it, but you can kind of see the. Let me turn it this way. Actually, you get a better, kind of a better look at it. And I've been sanding up over an hour now just on these parts right here, and I got them really feeling smooth. So I think once it gets a little thin coat of primer, I think that's going to look perfect. I've already got there's 50 separate pieces making this so far. I'm just kind of, I just kind of roughed in the back, but I'll kind of give you a quick look. And I got this one. This is building this like Jim McFadden's real Cat D-9, 1959 cable plow. And so some of them didn't. They had manual adjustments on the blade, and some of them had. And Jim's has got a hydraulic cylinder on there, so I'm building it like his. And Jim's has the canopy on the top, so I put that on there like his. So some people say, oh, it'd look cool with the different style roll bars, and I like those other style too, but this is the model that we're building of Jim's real Cat D-9. So I wanted to build one more dozer, so there's a chance this is my last dozer model. And so we wanted to make it look like his, and so I'm very happy how this is looking. And let me show you. Let's see, Deb, if you come over here, down there by the door, and turn around. I'm going to come around.
Turn fast.
I'll kind of give them a quick idea how it's going to look. Sitting down there. Kind of go like that. So, I'm very happy how it's looking. I still got the pins. I still have to do the adjust on the mounting pins. But just kind of get an idea. You can kind of see there's one, and here's the second one. Now it looks like the dozer's almost done, but it's not. I gotta allow for hydraulic lines to go from here, and a bracket to be built and welded on the back of here for the hydraulic line to go through. Then it has to go up to the machine. And so just that alone, doing something so simple, would probably take an hour, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours just to do that. So people don't realize how much time it takes just to do, like, make the air cleaners. And so anyway, then I got a bunch of more grinding and body work to do here on the back. And I got to build the bracket in the middle and weld that on, and that's what will lift and lower the cables. And I'll have to build the pulley system down here for the cables. Then there's a whole large mount up here on the top where the cables and all the pulleys are inside, and it's a housing that guards it. And so that's going to probably take me a good day, if not 2 days, to build that housing. And then there's a wheel that's on the side for extra cable, I think is what that is. So even though it looks like it's done, it's far from done. So I'll work on this all day today, the blade, and tomorrow I hope to get going on the rear bracket there, and I hope to get this kind of maybe some sketches and get maybe the first couple parts built for here. And then I'm going to move on Monday even if I don't get the rest of this stuff all done, I'm going to move on Monday and start building the engine. And so then I can always come back to stuff. But I feel good once I get a section of the machine roughed in and then move forward. And then it makes me feel like I'm making progress. Whereas if I just stay on, I stayed on that rear winch probably for 2 or 3 days and it still isn't done, but I wanted to move on and I can always go back. The hardest part of the winch is done. And now the hardest part of the blade's done. I'm very happy how it's looking. And like I say, I'll still work on this blade all this afternoon and all day tomorrow. So we'll show you the progress tomorrow and see where we're at. But I'm very happy. I like it. It's not perfect. It's far from perfect. I'm the first to admit. None of my models are perfect. It's more metal art. It's more metal art. What I do is I just take a flat piece of metal and I try to make it look like a piece of old machinery. And that's what I do. I just love it. I enjoy being out here. And after 23 years, when I first started doing this, because I build only one of them and they're all different scales, it's always keeps me keeps me very interested and excited to see if I can do the next challenge. So this one here is a different scale than I've done before, so I couldn't copy nothing off of any other of the machines that I ever made. And I've never built a cable lift blade dozer style, and I love the roof on it. I think it's cool. I love the little levers out here on it, and I love the winch on the back. So this is going to be another fun one. It's not, like I say, you know, everybody's very complimentary. Very few negative comments. And so I'm very grateful. So thanks again, everybody. We'll post the next video tomorrow night about supper time to show you how much I got done. And okay, have a great Saturday. Thanks.